Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth Taylor from WHQS Cymru. I've been off on maternity leave for a little while, but I am back now and glad to hear that the conversation is progressing on the lack of flooring in social housing. So some of you may remember back in October 2020, WHQS Cymru and Tai Pawb delivered a report around the lack of flooring in social housing. And since then, the conversation's progressed and social housing providers have been improving their internal policies and operations to ensure that tenants can have flooring in their homes, whether that's on handover or in new properties. And we've also been having many conversations with Welsh governments looking at their Welsh housing quality standards too. And Welsh Government have agreed that flooring will be within the new standard. What that looks like operationally, we don't know yet, but we will still be having those conversations and we will still be including you in those conversations. So please do keep an eye out on our website, on our social media for those best practice type events and guides. We're really looking forward to supporting the sector with this, so we will be in touch. Please do keep an eye out, as I said, and yeah, thanks for listening. Diolch yn fawr.